Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at initial and terminal sides. So here we have an initial side turning around the vertex counterclockwise to the terminal side. And when it's counterclockwise, the angle is considered to be positive, so greater than 0. Another example here, we have the initial side here. We're going around clockwise, and this is the terminal side around the vertex like that. If it's going clockwise, it is less than 0. Okay, time for some practice. Practice number 1, identify the initial side, terminal side, and the sign of the angle. Is it positive or negative? So here we have A and B. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we also have C here. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So we got A. This is the initial side turning counterclockwise, so it's greater than 0, and we land on the terminal side. Here we have the initial side going clockwise, so it's less than 0, and we're ending on the terminal side here. Here we have our initial side. We're going counterclockwise, so that's positive angle, ending on the terminal side there. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.